Hello, child psychology students. This week we are into Unit 4, which is focusing on prenatal development. So we're going to be talking about how is baby developing throughout the gestational, the embryonic, and the fetal stages. We're going to talk about teratogens, which are anything that can cause a problem for baby or for the carrying parent during pregnancy. So there's lots of interesting, cool information in here, if that's your sort of thing, which it is to me. And the activities for this week, we've got two things. One is we are providing or submitting our case study one by Friday. And your case study has to be, in order for you to get the points for it, obviously, reviewed by some sort of tutor, whether it's our Writing Labs tutor or if it's our tutor through BrainFuse. If you submit through BrainFuse, you do that on Canvas. So if you look on the left-hand side of the menu, you'll see that there's a button that says BrainFuse. You click on that. If you've never used it before, you'll have to set up an account a little bit, but it doesn't take that long. And you will submit your assignment to BrainFuse. And then you have to come back to BrainFuse and check your inbox on BrainFuse in order to look for your comments from your tutor. Unfortunately, there's no way to set it up so that it kind of alerts you like, hey, you've got feedback. So you have to go in and manually check it. And then you can also use our writing lab on campus. You can either work with them online or you can go on campus. If you have an online class or an on-campus class, it might be easier to do that. And then for that tutoring assignment, really what you're just going to do is submit your receipt or your feedback that you received from your tutor to demonstrate that you got tutoring. And it's a very simple, did you do it? Did you not do it? In terms of those points. And then for the case study assignment, you want to review the video and create your flyer for that assignment. You want to review the rubric and make sure that you are hitting all of the points so you can get the most points possible. I've seen some really good ones so far, so I love this assignment. I love seeing what you guys do. You guys can be so creative, and so it's really always interesting for me to read those the flyers that you have going. So if you have any questions about your case study, there's actually a discussion board specifically related to case studies, and you can post there. And then by next Sunday, you have your content quiz two, right? Yeah, content quiz two that's due. So those are the two things that we are working on this week. So we are going through Unit 4, which looks at prenatal development. And you want to start with you want to go into the modules area, go to Unit 4, and start with the first tab and kind of read through that, click next, read through that, click next, because it's all kind of in order for you to help you learn through the different things from this unit. Also, obviously, you want to be reading the textbook with the coordinated chapter. Make sure, too, that you're checking in with your flatmates. See what they're up to, see what questions they have, see what they're doing their case study over. Those are all good questions that you can ask your flatmates this week. So I'm looking forward to seeing your case studies. And if you have any questions, know that I am here to help you answer those. Thanks.